Ollie playing with Penny.
Sit, Penny. Sit. Throw it. Oh, good job. Do it.
Toss it, Ollie.
Penny, fetch. Yay! See that? She got it. Look. Look, Ollie.
Give Penny the ball, Ollie.
Oh, I grabbed her.
Give Penny the ball, Ollie. Oh, you're not paying attention.
Here's the ball.
Go.
Just hands it to her.
Toss it, Ollie.
Just
Good
give
boy.
it to her.
All right, Ollie. Try it one more time.
Oh, you almost threw it. Yay!
Good boy.
I think she got the ball. Come here, Penny. Ollie wants the ball. He wants to throw it to you.
That's not bad. Not bad.
What is that? Let's see if he'll grab it from her. See him trying to grab it?
She won't give it to you, Ollie?
Grab it, Ollie.
Oh, she will not let you have that ball.
Kitty, get the ball. There. Grab the ball. Hey, Penny, let me have the ball. Ollie wants the ball. She keeps away from me, too. Come here.